Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you on how to back up your Android phone data without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. After you open up your Android phone settings, next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Go ahead and click on Google. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on All Services. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Backup right here. Go ahead and click on Backup. Now you are here. Then you may want to review your backup detail right here. Like for instance, if you would like to back up your video and photo into your Google Cloud, go ahead and click on here. Then make sure you turn on this particular button right here. However, this will require you to use some data and some internal storage on your Google Cloud, not on your phone, on your Google Drive. So you can decide to turn on backup for video and photo to your Google Cloud. Lastly, go ahead and click on backup now right here. Once you click on backup now, turn on Wi-Fi to backup. Turn on Wi-Fi to back up your data. Go ahead and hit on OK, and your Android phone will be fully backed up to your Google Cloud storage. And your data is automatically backed up to your Google account when the device is idle. So this simply means that if you are no longer using the device and you are transferred to another device, all you need to do is to log in to new device with your Google account and restore all your data that you have been backed up so far from your previous Android device. So this is one of the great ways to secure your Android data into your Google Cloud or Google Drive. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone devices like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.